welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some neon butterfly lip oils, if that makes any sense. It's glitter. So, yeah, if you want to see how I created these lip oils, just keep on watching. I'll be using a 10 ml roller bottle as well as a pipette. This pipette can be found on my website. I will leave the link down below. A spoon, some grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, some coconut oil. My flavoring oil is from Get Suckered. I'll be using cherry vanilla. These glitters are from Itsy, and it's the holographic glitter. And my neon glitters are also from Itsy. And these little containers I got from the 99-cent store as well as the spoon. We're just going to be pouring some vitamin E oil. This was just for the video, so I didn't really do any measurements. But you can do like a teaspoon. And if you're using a pipette, you can use 2 drops. I'm going to be mixing that up together. And I'm literally only doing 1 lip oil, so I didn't put too much in there. I'm adding 1 drop of my flavoring. We're going to mix again. Now I'm going to be adding the glitter to the jar. I'm adding the holographic glitter first. Then the neon butterflies. And some chunky glitter. Now I'm just going to be pouring the lip oil in there. If you have a funnel, you can use that, but I didn't have one at the moment. So, yeah. I'm going to be wiping off the fallout of the glitter and then placing the cap on. These lip oils will be available for wholesale purchases only. I won't be making those single lip oils like these. The rest I do have on my website, and it is with mica. And there's the lip oil. It came out really cute. And if you guys want the link to the roller bottles, I'll leave it down below. I believe I did get it from Amazon, but the new ones will be coming from Alibaba, so stay tuned for that. And I'm just going to be showing you how it looks on my lips. The glitter does not come up on your lips, so it's just for decoration. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.